In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook in full screen mode if you want a cleaner, more focused view while reading your emails. Outlook has a simple setting that lets you expand the reading area so it fills more of your screen. This can be especially helpful if you're working on a smaller monitor, reading long messages, or just want to reduce visual clutter and make your inbox feel easier to navigate. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where you can see your inbox, folders, and email messages. Make sure you're fully inside the Mail view before moving on, since the setting we're changing is located there. Once you're in Mail, look toward the top of the Outlook window and click on View. The View menu is where Outlook keeps many of the layout and display options that affect how your mailbox appears on screen. If you've ever wanted to customize the way Outlook looks without changing your emails themselves, this is usually the place to start. After opening the View menu, find and click on Reading Pane. The Reading Pane controls how your selected message is displayed. In many default Outlook layouts, the Reading Pane appears either on the right side or at the bottom. Adjusting this setting changes how much room the message content gets, which is exactly what helps create a more full screen experience. From the Reading Pane options, click on Fill Screen. As soon as you select this option, Outlook will expand the reading area so your email content takes up more of the available space. This makes messages easier to read and can help you stay focused on the email you're viewing instead of the rest of the interface. That's all it takes to make Outlook feel more like a full screen reading environment. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same view and reading pane settings and choose a different layout that works better for you. A quick tip before you go. This setting is great when reviewing detailed emails, attachments, or long conversations because it gives the content more room on screen. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in comfort and readability. And that's how to make Outlook in full screen mode.